Welcome to Roger Adventures, my friends. In this video I'm going to show you how I painted this Gnome Christmas. I hope you like the video. I primed the rock with regular house paint. I let it dry and then I drew the Gnome with the pencil. And this is a rough idea of how it's going to look. I tried to erase it, but this eraser is not good quality, and this is the first time I actually trying to paint with nail glitter, or not nail glitter, nail polish. Oh, I don't know how they call it because obviously I don't know much about it. But now I get the idea. First, you actually have to paint the same color of the glitter so that way it will look very vibrant. Again, this is my first time using this, so I gave it a try. I did 2 coats and then I started to paint the face. I didn't draw the face exactly how it's gonna look, but I had an idea already on the drawings that I seen or the gnomes that I seen painted online on rocks too. I painted the nose red and the cheeks a little bit more pink. Actually, the pink paint I use red and white paint. All of the paints that I use, I'm gonna leave them on the description below, and I use different brands, but I use this one the most, so I'm gonna leave it on the description below, the brushes, dotting tools, and all the stuff that I use for my arts and crafts. Also, if you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. And also don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive announcements of new videos. So I painted the beer white, and on the center the Gnome is holding a gift. I painted the beer white at the beginning and then some gray. I just had some white paint with a tiny bit of black paint. And this one, it takes a long time because you have to do basically 3 or 4 more coats to do the beer, because you do the white and the gray and the black, and then you just cover the rest of the stuff that is too thick or too thin or it has too much color. I use green to paint the tree behind the Gnome, and on the background I just use some blue paint with white, but with a lot of white, so it's basically sky blue, almost as an aqua color. I wanted to share a picture that someone did on my Facebook page. I'm gonna put the picture here on the corner. This is one of the other Christmas rocks that she did with my tutorial, and I thank you very much for sharing the pictures. It means a lot to me. As I always say, my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. On the hands, I did black with a little bit of gray. On the nose, I did a little bit of pink, but I wanted to do a little bit more of a highlight, so I did a little bit of white. And again, we go with the beer, because I have to let the paint dry in order to apply the second coat. So here I'm applying black, and then I apply again white paint to cover the spots that were too thick or that were too thin. I added some yellow. I did it a little bit lighter so you can have a contrast of the tree, not just one color. And the important thing here when you paint rocks is to have fun, enjoy yourself. If you have any other tips on how to paint the beer, let me know. And I'm not a professional, I just do this for fun. And here I'm applying the second coat of the nail glitter or polish. The little ball on the hat, I did it with the Q-tip. I'm trying to find different ways to paint, to explore everything. I did the eyes with black paint. I did the smile almost the same as the last snowman that I did, the one that is called Let It Snow. You can check it out. I'm gonna leave the tabs here on the right hand corner of this video. The Let It Snow. It's a really cute snowman. I added some highlights on the hat, and I used the dotting tool, the one that is a fine dot, and I wanted to go to outline the hat, and I starting to use these Posca pens, which I think they are great. And continue highlighting the present that is holding on the hands with the gloves. This, you know, because it's cold, he has gloves, and the smile as well, and the shoes. And this is coated with resin. I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.